everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 31st of March 2023. We celebrate all those children in year 1 and year 2 have earned themselves presentation certificates today. So really well done to all of you. You've worked so hard throughout this spring's term. It is fantastic. You won't see a great deal of me. You'll just see amazing children in year 1 and year 2. Over to them now. And first off this morning, we're going to see the top 3 in each of the classes who've earned themselves house points. Look at these guys. Oh, Nella on 69 house points, Ruby Lee on 68, and Amandas on 61. Oh, Amandas, well done Nella, well done Ruby Lee, well done Amandas. You absolute superstars. So Mr. Pinner's top 3 in each class with their house points. Huge congratulations, well done. And the top 3 in Mr. Pinner, Mr. Ackerman's are, look, Noah on 65, Letty on 64, and Arafat on 62. Look how close it was. Well done, Noah, just topping the charts there with the top 3 house points. Huge number of house points, so really well done, you 3. Huge congratulations, and keep up that amazing work, earning merits and house points. Oh, look at Miss Hall's top 3. Look at these. Emily on 94, Marcy on 92, and Ava on 84. So well done, Emily. Topping the charts there. The top 3 in Miss Hall's class. So well done, you 3. Really proud of you. Again, keep earning those merits and keep earning those house points. You superstars. Really, really well done. And the top 3 in Miss Begum's class we have. Look at this. We've got Yasmin on 76, Jack on 72, and Lola Rose on 71. Look at all those house points, those big smiles as well. Really well done, all of those children. Amazing number of house points. So proud of you all, and just keep earning those merits, you superstars. It's really, really lovely to see. On to our certificate winners now. Here we go. So our Phonics Stars in year 1 are none other than, here they are, Beatrice, Elijah, Maria, and Dimitri. Well done, you 4. Look at that, with your phonics as well, learning all your sounds. Really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you absolute superstars. I am so proud of you. Really, really clever. Well done. On to our reading stars. Now these guys have been using their phonics to help them with their reading. They're reading every day. It is none other than Josiah, Letty, Arafat, and Katie. Well done, you guys. Look at these year 1 reading stars. So not only are you going home with certificates, but you're going home with a reading book as well. So really well done. Amazing reading, and just keep it up as well over Easter as well. Superstars. On to our math stars, and these mathematicians have been working super hard in year 1, I know they have, on their math mastery lessons. It is none other than Ruben, Quinn, Lola, and Rowan. Well done, you guys. Look at you with your maths things there. All your equipment there you're using, your absolute superstar. I know you've been working so hard in your maths, so really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you absolute superstars. Well done. On to our scientists. Our scientists in year 1 are none other than, here they come, Nella, Cody, Bassam, and Theo. Well, look at that. They've got all their science equipment. Look, they look just right. Look at Nella, big smile. You should be smiling now, guys. You've won yourself your science certificates, you science stars. So really well done. Enjoy taking those home today. Well done. On to our history stars, and our historians in year 1 are Logan, Max, Leah, and Hannah. There we are, look. Well done, all their toys from the past and today. We're doing lots of comparisons, aren't we? Amazing work. Really enjoying the history topic this term. So really well done, guys. Big smiles again. You should be smiling, guys. You've won yourself your history certificates, you superstars. Really well done. Enjoy taking those home. And keep up that inquisitive, inquiring history knowledge. Well done, guys. On to our geography stars. Now, geography has been much fun as well. So much fun this year. And here they come. Look, Ellie Mae, Myers, Amandas, and Ollie. Well done, guys. Look at you with all your geography knowledge there, all your maps around the globe and everything else of the United Kingdom as well. So really well done. Ollie, great smile there as well. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking the certificates home today. You absolute superstars. Well done. Our PE stars. Now look how physically active these guys are. These year 1 PE stars. Here they are. Look, here they are. Hemon, Archie, Rafaela, and Alfie. Look at Alfie. Look at that smile with his skipping right there. You should be smiling, guys. Really well done. Huge congratulations. I know you've been working so hard in all your PE lessons, but that's at break and lunchtime as well. So physically active. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking certificates home today, superstars. Well done. On to our year 2 Phonics stars now. Here are year 2s working so hard on their phonics as well. So here they are. Look, we've got Mason, we've got Zara, we've got Esme, and we've got Emily. just trying to hide there behind it. But well done, guys. Huge congratulations on your phonics. Keep it up, because being really good at your phonics will just help you with your reading. And talking of reading, here's our reading stars. 4 children who've earned themselves reading stars. Look at these: Toby, Scarlett, Charlie and Georgia. And these guys are reading every single day. They're avid readers. Not only are they getting a certificate, but they're getting a reading book to take home to read over Easter as well. So well done, you 4, you superstars. On to our math stars. Our mathematicians are none other than in year 2. Look, Matilda, Caitlin, Naya and Jack. Well done, guys. I know you're really enjoying your maths lesson and all your number bonds as well. So really well done. Fantastic maths throughout going on in year 2. So well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. Well done. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists in year 2. Here they are. Look at this. Look at all this science equipment. So we've got Oliver, we've got Kylo, we've got Braylon, and we've got Noah. Again, working so hard on their science, all their science equipment and all their science experiments that they've been doing throughout this term. Really well done, you 4. Stand out scientists, and well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Our historians. Let's have a look at some year 2 historians. Here they are. Yes. A lot of work on Neil Armstrong and getting to the moon. So we've got Tia, we've got Ava, we've got Keely, and we've got Betsy. Well done, you 4. I know you've really loved your topics, all about how we got to the moon and all the famous astronauts that got there as well. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our geography stars. Look at these geography stars in year 2. Here we are. Look at this again. We've got Sarah, we've got Beatrix, we've got Raphael, and we've got Jackson. Look at that. Really, all that language as well, the vocab as well that's going on in geography as well. So well done, you guys. I know you've enjoyed your geography as well. It's really well done. Enjoy taking the certificates home today, you 4 absolute superstars. Well done. On to our PE stars. And our PE stars in year 2 are none other than, here they are. We've got Willow, we've got Salis, Ollie and Luz. Look at these guys. These are so physically and they're so good in their PE lessons, but also that representing the school as well. So they've done some representing in football and running as well. So really well done, you 4. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you absolute superstar, and just keep being physically active over Easter as well. I know you will. So really well done. Well done to all of those children. Now we're going to see lots of children again who've earned themselves golden ticket throughout this term. Look at all these names that are coming up in from year 1 and year 2 since January. All our golden ticket winners. Look at these guys. Look at this. Look at them all. All of these children have earned themselves golden ticket right the way through from January throughout this term. Absolutely super. See if you can spot your name there, guys, because I'm sure you will. If you're one of those who've earned themselves golden ticket, your name will be up there. So really well done. Oh, finally this morning we have the attendance league, the top 3 of the attendance league, this all-important attendance league, to find out who is going on the trip to Bewilderwood. So here is the top 3, the final results for the spring term. In 3rd place, Miss Musselwhite on 113, so well done to those year 5s in Miss Musselwhite's in 3rd place, snuck into 3rd place. In 2nd place, Miss White, look at that, in 2nd place with 140 points, so well done, Miss White. In top place it is Miss Hall. Well done, Miss Hall. Look at that, 142, kept 1st place. So really well done to those year 2s. They've had a fantastic term. Huge congratulations. Get to hold on to the shield. And those 3 classes are all going on the trip. Well done to all of you, you superstars. You absolute superstars. So we're looking forward to that after Easter. So well done to everyone. Final message this morning as well as we are saying goodbye and all the best to Mr. Pinner. Mr. Pinner will be leaving us to take on his new role at Red Balloon School. So really good luck, Mr. Pinner. All the best. And we wish you well. You know where we are. So hopefully you'll come visit. Tell us all about your new experience at your new school as well. So all the best and good luck. Final message, school closes today, as you can see, Friday the 31st of March. It certainly does, at 3:15. Today is the last day. And we're back to school Monday the 17th of April 2023. The gates will be open at 8:30. So that's Monday the 17th of April at 8:30. Until then, everyone, have a fantastic Easter, and we'll see you all on Monday the 17th at 8:30. Bye-bye now.